Hi, everybody. My name's Andy Leonard, and I cannot tell you how excited I am to present at SQLBits 2023. Not only do I get to present, but I also get to do a full training day. I haven't been to SQLBits in about 9 years, I think, which is way too long to miss it. I have a SQLBits shirt from a couple of times I've been there in the past, but I couldn't find it. But I did find a SQLBits orange shirt. It matches this cool coffee mug that Simon gave me years ago. You can see the SQLBits orange there. So this is the best that I can do. As I mentioned already, super excited to talk about Azure Data Factory. Of course, we're going to talk about pipelines, as you see on the screen here behind me. This is a very basic pipeline, but that's where I like to start. We're going to start with provisioning Azure Data Factory. We're going to look at all of the pieces and parts of the Azure Data Factory, the artifacts as I like to call them, and we're going to do some very basic stuff with them initially. We're going to then build on that as we expose more and more of the functionality in Azure Data Factory. Are we going to be able to cover everything? Gosh, no. But what I want to share with you is the things that I use most day to day doing Azure Data Factory consulting for real live clients. We're going to look at externalizing metadata from Azure Data Factory, interacting with other Azure services. We're going to externalize parameter values, even some sensitive stuff, including shared access signatures. So I can't wait to share with you as much as I can about how I use Azure Data Factory to help customers solve business problems. I look forward to seeing you at SQLBits 2023. We're going to externalize parameter values, even some sensitive stuff, including, what is the sensitive stuff called in blob storage? Lions and tigers and bears, and including shared access signatures, including shared access signature metadata. So I can't wait to share with you as much as I can about how I use Azure Data Factory to help customers solve business problems. I look forward to seeing you at SQLBits 2023.